yuvasri.
Which class? What is your school name?
Kidz.
Which class are you studying in?
LKG.
Tell any one story in English with action. Say one say
A
for.
hungry fox walking around in a jungle.
He saw a crow.
He saw a crow.
Say. You don't know. Okay. Tell any two rhymes in English with action. Say.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Next one.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay. Recognize the show alphabets, numbers in English, Telugu, Hindi, and mathematical with their respective words and pictures. Okay. What is this letter? What is this letter? A for?
Apple.
What is this letter?
B.
B for?
Ball.
What is this letter?
D for
What is this letter?
E.
E for?
Egg.
What is this letter?
H.
H for?
Hen.
What is this letter?
K.
K for?
Kite.
Okay, we are going to maths, okay? Numbers. What is this number?
2.
What is this number?
5.
This number?
7. 1, 3.
1, 3. 13.
13.
What is this number? 2, 0.
2, 0. 20.
Good girl. We are going to next Hindi, okay? What is this picture? A say.
Anar.
What is this picture? A say.
A say Am.
E say.
Imali.
E say. U say.
U say Urta.
Ullu.
Ulu.
A say. Okay, I say.
I say
Ainak.
Ainar.
Okay, we are going to Telugu. Ante.
Amma.
Ante.
Avu.
E ante. E ante. U ante.
Urta.
U ante. I ante.
Ayyanta Aidu.
O ante. Cha ante.
Chante Chakramu.
Okay, good girl. We are going to EVS. What is this picture?
Carrot.
This picture?
Tomato.
This picture? Potato.
Potato.
This picture?
Ulpai.
Onion.
Onion.
Okay. Okay. Tell any two slokas in Sanskrit. Say. Asatoma. Say. You don't know Asatoma? Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu.
Guru Brahma. Guru Vishnu. Guru Deva. Maheshwaraha. Guru Sakshat. Parabrahma. Tasmai Sri. Gurave Namaha.
Okay. Good girl. Trace this letter. Trace this letter. Two letters. Right. Okay. Okay. Take this one. Okay. Right. This also. Okay. This letter also. Okay. Show me that letters. Okay. You trace this number also. Trace that one also. First of all, you write properly. Okay. This number also. Right. Circle. Okay. This one right curve. Right curve. Right curve. Yeah. Do. This one. Right. This. Okay. What is this number? 25, 30.
25, 30.
Okay. Good girl.